Welcome to part 3 of our 5-part series on market psychology cycles. In our last video, we discussed the beginning stages of the market cycle. Today, we're diving into the peak stages of market euphoria. Hey there, I'm Eva, and now we're approaching the most interesting moment, the stages when the market is literally boiling with positivity. These are the stages when all traders walk around with ear-to-ear smiles, as if they've won the lottery every day. First up is excitement. Profits are growing, portfolios are turning green, and then comes the thought, that's it, now it's definitely only going up. We need to buy more quickly before it's too late. Traders start opening new deals, investing more money and taking maximum risks. It's like when you decide to go to a casino and after a few wins you think, I'm just lucky, let's go one more time. Only in a casino such a mood is often followed by an empty pocket. But then comes the moment of euphoria. Imagine you found a real gold mine. You're digging and every day you're pulling out handfuls of gold. You're so sure that the profit stream will never stop, that you're already dreaming about a yacht and a villa by the sea. It's at this moment that traders develop FOMO, fear of missing out. They feel that if they don't buy now, they'll miss the biggest chance in their life. But here's the trap. In euphoria, people often forget about risks and instead only dream about new historical highs. And when emotions are off the charts, overconfidence takes the stage. Imagine you're sitting on top of a mountain, enjoying the view, and suddenly you hear a slight roll of thunder. But instead of gathering up and leaving this mountain, you tell yourself, it's just a little cloud, don't worry, the sun will come out again soon. The market makes a small pullback. Prices fall slightly, but everyone is sure. This is temporary, it will rest a bit and fly up again. Only often after such thoughts, a real storm can come. And while everyone believes it's just a small breezer before new growth, the market may present a completely different surprise. And if you're not careful at this stage, you can quickly find yourself on the downside. Have you ever experienced these euphoric stages in your trading? How did you handle the excitement and overconfidence? Let us know in the comments. In our next video, we'll explore the stages of market decline. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.